Struggling to get that stubborn weed eater trimmer head off? Here's the real deal on how to handle it without losing your mind. Okay, so first up, if the trimmer head spins freely when you try to move it, that's a good sign. It means it's not locked. You gotta lock it down by sticking something into the hole on the shaft, usually a screwdriver or a special locking pin, to keep it from moving while you twist the head off. Make sure you're turning it the right way, usually counterclockwise to loosen, but some models might be different, so double check. Those two tabs on the sides? Yeah, push those in hard. They're there to help you pop off the cover or spool without removing the whole head. Sometimes, the plastic parts can be a pain and feel like they're gonna snap if you push too hard. Don't give up! You just need a solid amount of force, but be careful not to bend or break anything. If your screwdriver or tool is too thin or weak, it won't do the job. Use something sturdy. And remember, patience is key. To keep trying and don't be shy about putting some muscle into it. Once you get that cover off, rewiring or replacing the line gets way easier. One of the biggest mistakes people make with weed eater trimmer heads is twisting the wrong way and actually tightening it instead of loosening it. Super frustrating, but easy fix once you know which way to go. Another common issue is not locking the shaft properly before trying to unscrew the head. If it moves, you're wasting effort and risk stripping the threads. Finally, using weak or wrong tools means you won't get enough grip or leverage, making the job impossible. Grab a solid screwdriver or locking pin and you'll avoid this problem. Fix these by confirming your turn direction first, always locking the shaft firmly before turning, and using durable tools that fit well. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. It also gives contractors a solid platform to connect with people needing their skills, so everyone wins.